So you've likely heard of Kegel exercises and their benefits during and after pregnancy. Now, if you haven't heard about them, the concept is essentially to strengthen your pelvic floor muscles, which have literally a number of benefits. Now, these benefits include reduced risk of pelvic organ collapse, which is huge, stronger pelvic floor muscles. You can improve bladder control, as well as prepare for an easier birth, as well as reduce hemorrhoids. So what's the actual right way to do a Kegel and when? Now, thankfully, you can literally do these exercises literally anytime and almost anywhere. You can try Kegels for a few weeks or months, or simply make them a part of your daily routine. Now, you can perform Kegels by lying flat on the floor with your knees bent. Then you're going to literally draw your pelvic floor muscles up and in by lifting, holding, and then literally relaxing your pelvic floor muscles. So basically you're going to contract for 3 seconds and then rest for 3 seconds. Now you can perform as many as you like, but basically 2 sets of 10 to 15 every other day typically works best. And I hope you love the results.